Whoa, what's that up there? Ooh, it's a person. Hey, you alright?
3 a.m. challenge.
What?
Who are you?
I'm Brendan. Gee, what are you doing?
You need to get out of here now.
Why?
I came here at 3 a.m. I just want to record a video. I didn't think it was going to come to this.
What?
The demon of the 3 a.m. challenge.
I'm sorry, but what are you talking about exactly?
Sir, 3 a.m. challenge, my fidget spinner. It just started to spin. It wouldn't stop spinning. I heard things coming out of it.
Dude, I think you need help. There's really nothing.
We need to stop it. Follow me. We need to destroy it now.
Destroy what?
My fidget spinner.
Fine, actually.
There it is. You have to say the ancient ritual inspired the god himself, Jake Paul. It's every day, bro. With the Disney Channel flow, my merch is selling like a god church because it's every day. Bro!
Did you do it?
It's over. I can go to bed now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for another 3 a.m. challenge. Yeah!